Hello everyone, good morning. This is your maths class for today. Students, now we will continue your previous exercise. So let's start question number 8. Okay students, so question number 8 is here. Find the measure of x in each of the following figures. That means ये figures given हैं आपको and इनमें आपको value find करनी है x की. Is that clear? Okay, so now let's start part A. Students, as you all know that this is a triangle. Okay, so let's name them. And students, triangle ABC is a isosceles triangle. Why? Because two sides are equal. Okay students, so that means आपको पता है कि ये एक isosceles triangle है क्योंकि इसकी two sides equal है. Here AB is equal to AC. Okay, here AB is equal to AC. So then, students, angle ABC is equal to ACB. Okay, ABC is equal to angle ACB. Is that clear? Student, that means अगर किसी ट्राइंगल की जो साइड है वो इक्वल होती है तो उनके एंगल भी इक्वल होते हैं. ओनली ऑपोजिट एंगल. ओके स्टूडेंट, जैसे ये साइड है इसका ऑपोजिट एंगल इसके इक्वल होगा एंड इसका ऑपोजिट एंगल इसके इक्वल होगा. सो दैट मीन्स ये दोनों एंगल क्या होंगे? इक्वल. ओके, इज दैट क्लियर? ओके स्टूडेंट्स, लेट दिस एंगल एज y. ओके, बिकॉज ऑल आर y. सो दैट मीन्स दिस इज y एंड दिस इज y. इज दैट क्लियर? ओके, दैट मीन्स ये एंगल है y. ओके एंड स्टूडेंट, जैसे आपके पास ये गिवन है 90 डिग्री. हेयर एंगल A इज 90 डिग्री. इज दैट क्लियर? सो स्टूडेंट्स, ये इसका बाइसेक्टर है एंड बाइसेक्टर का मीन्स क्या होता है? ये यहाँ से जा रहा है. सो दैट मीन्स ये भी 45 होगा एंड ये भी 45 होगा. इज दैट क्लियर? सो स्टूडेंट्स, वी हैव एंगल BAC, यस, इज इक्वल टू 45 डिग्री एंड एंगल CAD is equal to 45 degree. Okay, so now students, in triangle ABC, as you all know that angle A plus angle B plus C is equal to 180 degree. So angle A is here 45 degree and angle B is Y and C is also Y is equal to 180. So here y plus y, that is 2y, and is equal to 180 minus 45 degrees. That means 2y is equal to 135 degrees and then y is equal to, yes students, we can divide by 2, then we have 67.5 degrees. So students, here angle y is 67.5 degree. Okay, and these are same. Okay students, so that means these angles are 67.5 degree. Okay, so students, now we can find easily this angle. How? With the help of linear pair. Okay students, because आपको पता है कि ये जो दोनों एंगल है इनका सम किसके इक्वल होगा? 180 डिग्री. Okay, so that means angle ACB plus angle ACD is equal to 180 degree. Why? Because of linear pair. Okay students, so you can find easily one angle is y and second one is this. Okay students, so students, angle ACB, that means y, and y is here 67.5 degrees and angle ACD is equal to 180 degree. So here angle ACD is equal to 180 minus 67.5. Students, that is 112.5. Okay students, आप कैलकुलेशन चेक कर लीजिएगा. Okay, so students, that is 112.5. Okay, and students, ये हम फाइंड कर चुके हैं 67.5. Is that clear? So students, we can find easily how this angle. Okay, because this is also a triangle. So in triangle ACD, yes students, 45 plus angle this one 112.5 plus x is equal to 180 degree. Okay, so here what is the sum of this? That is 157.5 plus x is equal to 180 degree, then x is equal to 180 degree minus 157.5, and we have students 22.5 degrees. Okay, so that is your answer, and that is the value of x. Okay, is that clear? ओके स्टूडेंट्स, थोड़ा टफ प्रोसेस है इसका, बट है इजी, कुछ नहीं करना है इसमें आपको पता है ये 90 डिग्री का है. अगर ये इसमें बाइसेक्ट है तो ये भी 45 होगा, ये भी 45. बाइसेक्ट का मीन जस्ट हाफ. ओके, एंड स्टूडेंट्स जब ये साइड इक्वल है तो इनके ऑपोजिट एंगल भी इक्वल होंगे. सो ये दोनों इक्वल हो गए. हमने यहाँ से पहले y की वैल्यू फाइंड की, फिर लीनियर पेयर से हमने यहाँ से ये वैल्यू फाइंड की, देन आपके पास ये 2 वैल्यू है, देन आप x की वैल्यू इजीली फाइंड कर सकते हैं. कौन सी प्रॉपर्टी से? According to angle sum property. Is that clear? Okay students, now the next part is B. Student, that is 150 degrees an exterior angle, and that is x. And students, listen carefully. This side in a triangle ABC, AB is equal to BC. Okay students, here AB is equal to, yes, BC. So we can write as angle BAC is equal to angle BCA. Angle BCA. Okay students, got it? Okay, so students, we just suppose this angle is y, so this will also be y. Okay, so that means angle y is equal to angle y. Okay, that means ये दोनों angle क्या होगा? Equal. So we can find easily, yes, this one. Okay, how? Yes students, here angle 150 plus y is equal to 180. y students, because of linear pair. Okay, ये angle जो है वो linear pair है. So here y is equal to 180 minus 150, that is y is equal to 30. So student, that is 30 degree. And students, if it is 30, so that means it will also be 30. Okay, because angles are same. Okay, so that means angle y is here 30. Okay students? Okay, and students, listen, this is y, so this is also y, that means 30. So we can find easily. So students, in triangle ABC, yes, what? Y plus y, that means 30 plus 30 plus x will be 180 degree. Okay, so that means 30 plus 30, that is 60, plus x is equal to 180 degrees. Then x is equal to 180 minus 60. So that means that is 120 degrees. So that is the value of x. So that is your answer. Okay students, any doubt here? Okay. So students, next is question number C. This is a triangle. Let's name them A, B and C. Okay students, so now we have to find the value of x. So students, first of all, we have to find the value of this angle. Why? Because this is a linear pair. Okay students, so let's this angle as y. Okay, is that clear? And this angle as z. Okay, so students, here angle 90 plus y is equal to 180. Why? Because of linear pair. Okay, is that clear? लीनियर पेयर स्टूडेंट्स, आपको पता है क्या होता है? जैसे एक स्ट्रेट एंगल है आपके पास और इस पर एक कोई लाइन आ जाए. सो स्टूडेंट्स, ये जो इक्वल होते हैं, ये किसके इक्वल होते हैं? 180 डिग्री. ओके, ये पूरा एंगल. ओके ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सो हेयर y इज इक्वल टू 180 माइनस 90, दैट इज y इज इक्वल टू 90 डिग्री. ओके, सो दैट इज 90 डिग्री. ओके, एंड हेयर, यस स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ yes, angle z plus 140 is equal to 180. Same here because of linear pair. Okay students, so here z is equal to 180 minus 140, that is, yes, 40 degree. Okay, so student, that is 40 degree. Okay, now we can find easily the value of x. Okay, so in triangle ABC, yes students, that is x plus y plus z is equal to 180 degree. So here x is, we don't have, so that will be as it is. And students, y is here 90 and z is here 40 and is equal to 180 degree. So here x is equal to 180 minus that is 130. So here x is equal to 180 minus 130, that is 50 degree. Okay, so that is the value of x. Okay students. Okay. So next part is here D part. So students, we can find easily x. Okay. So students, here as you all know that this is a linear pair. Okay students. So here 2a plus 7a is equal to 180 degree. Why? Because of linear pair. Okay. और वी कैन से स्ट्रेट एंगल. ओके, स्ट्रेट एंगल किसके इक्वल होता है स्टूडेंट्स? 180 डिग्री. सो दैट इज 2a एंड 7a, दैट इज 9a इज इक्वल टू 180. सो हियर a इज इक्वल टू 180 अपॉन 9. दैट मीन्स 9 to the 18, that is 20 degrees. Okay, so here a is 20 degree. Okay students, let's name them a, b, c. Okay students, this point c. So angle a, that is equal to x, angle b, that is equal to 5a. So let's put the value of a, that is 5 into a, that means 20. So 5 to the 10, that is 100. Okay, so angle c is here 2a. So that means 2 into a, that means 20. So 2 to the 4, that is 40 degrees. Okay students, so here as you all know that in triangle ABC, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees. Okay, so here angle A is x and angle B is here 100 and that is 40 and is equal to 180 degree. Okay, so here x is equal to 100 plus 40, that is 140 and that is 180. So here x is equal to 180 minus 140, so that will be 40 degrees. Okay, so that is your answer. Okay students. Okay, next is part E. First of all, let's name them. Okay, is that clear? Okay students, so we have two triangle, one is ABC and second one is, yes, this is also one point, that is E. So CDE. Okay students, so here in triangle ABC. Okay students, so we have angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Okay students, we can write as a y. Okay, any variable. That means angle A is here 20 degree, angle B is here 50 degree and angle C is here y. So is equal to 180 degree. Then 20 plus 50, that is 70 plus y is equal to 180 degree. Here y is equal to 180 minus 70, that is 110. Okay students, so here y is 110. Okay, now if that is 110, so students, a z angle. Okay, let's name them. So students, here angle y plus angle z is equal to 180y because of linear pair. Okay, because linear pair पर जो angle होता है वो किसके equal होता है? 180 degree. So angle y is here 110 and angle z, that is 180 and angle z is equal to 180 minus 110, that means angle z is here 70 degree. Okay, so student, that is 70 degree. Okay, and now students, if angle z is 70, that is 30, so we can find easily. Okay, so that means it will equal to w. Okay, so हमने इसे क्या लेट किया? w. Okay students, हम नंबरिंग में भी मान सकते हैं 1 2 3 4 लाइक दैट, बट इसमें कंफ्यूजन हो जाता है क्योंकि ऑलरेडी नंबर होता है. तो हम क्या करते हैं, कोई भी अल्फाबेट हम लेट कर लेते हैं. ओके, जैसे x y z w कुछ भी. सो हमने यहाँ इसे क्या लेट किया? w. सो स्टूडेंट्स, इन ट्राइंगल C, D and E, yes, what we have, angle C plus angle D plus angle E is equal to 180 degree. So angle C is here, that is Z, so that is 70 and that is 30, and student, that is E. E, that means W, so that is W is equal to 180 degree. So here that is 100 plus W is equal to 180 degree, then W is equal to 180 minus 100, so that means that is 80 degree. Okay, so students here that is 80 degree. Okay, स्टूडेंट्स हमने इसे ई का ई इसलिए नहीं लिखा क्योंकि ई में आपका ये भी एंगल आ जाएगा एंड ये भी एंगल आ जाएगा. ओके, सो इसलिए हमने इसे ऐसा नहीं लिखा. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सो नाउ W प्लस x, ओके, बिकॉज ये ऑलरेडी गिवन है, इज इक्वल टू 180. वाई स्टूडेंट्स? बिकॉज ऑफ लीनियर पेयर. ओके, दैट मीन्स स्ट्रेट लाइन पर जो एंगल बनता है ना वो 180 डिग्री का होता है because of linear pair. So student W we have 80 and that is x and is equal to 180 degree. That means x is equal to 180 minus 80, that is 100 degrees. Okay, so that is the value of x. Okay students, okay, so your exercise has completed now. Okay students, but still if you have any doubt in any question, so you can contact or message to me. Thank you. Have a nice day.